welcome to Mindful Money. I'm Cheryl, your host of The Mostess and guide to your journey to financial freedom. So, today we're going to talk about vision boards. We're going to talk about manifesting. We're also going to talk about faith. These things that I found to see that they all come together to mean the same thing. As we are starting 2025, I know many of us are making our goals. Many of us are creating our vision boards. I know me and my sisters, we have a vision board date to create our vision boards because we are also each other's accountability partners. Have someone to remind you, oh, remember, you said you want to go to the gym in the year, right? So 2025, we're going to start with vision boards. But this year, we're going to make it a different kind of vision board because we're going to be mindful about it, right? So what is a vision board and how does it align well with faith and manifesting? So a lot of people, I know, we're going to cut out pictures, put really a nice picture of a car there, a nice picture of a house there, a nice picture of whatever business that you want to start. If you are in corporate, maybe you're going to put sales manager or sales director on it, right? But what then does it take for that vision board to work for you? A lot of the times, people create vision boards and then they just stick them on maybe on their headboard, on their nightstand, to just see it in the morning when they wake up. But then you are not mindful of what you've put on that vision board. So this time we're going to learn tips and tricks on how to make the vision board work for you, right? So then this is where faith and manifesting come in. So you've created your vision board. First step, tick, right? If you haven't created your vision board, today is already days into January, right? So you have to do it today, not tomorrow, no procrastination. You've created your vision board, done. Next step is manifesting and faith. So what is manifesting? Manifesting in simple terms is seeing what you want to have, which you're going to see on your vision board, visualizing how you're going to achieve this, being mindful, right? And then actions towards that vision. Actions towards that vision. For example, on your vision board, you put, I want to have a nice body in 2025. I want to have nice skin in 2025, right? What is the next step? You're not just going to see it and be like, I want to have nice skin, right? What you're going to do is, how do I have nice skin? I'm going to research, okay, I have acne or I have hyperpigmentation, right? So what do I need to remove hyperpigmentation? I'm going to go on Google. What do I need to get hyperpigmentation? Okay, I need to look for products with this and this. I'm going to go into detail of what I do, but that's a whole topic on a separate time. Okay, so okay, I need products that have this. So now you're looking through, okay, so I need products that have this and this to help me with that, right? You are being mindful and taking action towards your mindfulness, because just staying in your mind, it doesn't work. You need to work. You need to put in the action to do that. If you want a house, a big house in the brook, right? You need to know. You don't even know how much it costs to live in the brook and you want to have a house in the brook, guys. You need to know, okay, I need to look for prices. Go on Property Book. Search, okay, I need to look for a house in the brook. It costs $1 million. So do I have $1 million No. So I need to take action to work towards getting $1 million so I can buy my house in the brook. That is how manifesting works, right? Which is almost the same thing as action. The Bible says faith without action is dead. You have faith for something. I have faith that I want to open my business. I have faith that I want to, buy a car this year. But without action, it is dead. Literally dead. Because no one is going to come. Of course, maybe someone's going to come and offer you, money. But the chances there are slimmer towards you knowing, okay, I want to buy a car. My car is $6,000. Right? So I need to create a plan that if I am getting a salary of $500 a month, I am spending such and such a month, I'm putting away $100 a month. That means within such and such kind of months, I have my car. So you are taking action towards that vision board that you have. 2025, guys. The year of vision boards, the year of manifesting and faith. Let us put action towards the vision boards. Let us put action towards our goals. I like vision boards better than goals that are written on paper, because normally, on paper you're going to close the book, see it in October, and then, next thing, you didn't even achieve anything. But if you put your vision board where you can see it every morning, give yourself words of affirmation. I am blessed. I am wealthy. I can achieve the goal that I've set for my business this year. See it and remember, okay, I'm supposed to have my target of $100 a week for me to achieve my target. So because if you don't know what you need to do towards that vision board, or those visions that you've set and the desires of your heart, then you're not going to achieve the goals that you want, and you're going to beat yourself about it end of year. And this is going to change for us, guys, 2025. Vision boards, manifesting, lots of faith. Faith without action is dead. Don't forget to take care of your mindset and your finances. And remember, mindful money is a journey, not a destination. And take the first step today towards your intentional, healthy relationship with money. Until next time, stay mindful, stay prosperous, and see you in the next video. Bye, lovey.